Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to check your previous deliveries in the Dasher app, finding your order history can be useful for tracking completed dashes, reviewing earnings, or simply remembering past deliveries. Sometimes dashers try looking through the app but are unsure where completed orders are stored because the layout may feel confusing at first. Whether you want to check a recent delivery, review activity from earlier in the week, or look back at completed trips, the information is usually available once you know where to go. The good part is that the Dasher app keeps delivery details organized, making it easier to review your past activity whenever needed. In this video, I will show you step by step how to see order history in the Dasher app easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the Dasher app and sign into the Dasher app account connected to your deliveries. Step 2. Tap the account or earnings section inside the Dasher app to locate the Dasher app activity area. Step 3. Open the delivery history or completed delivery section in the Dasher app to view Dasher app order details. Step 4. Scroll through the Dasher app order history and check completed deliveries inside the Dasher app. Step 5. Select a completed order in the Dasher app if the Dasher app provides more delivery information. Step 6. Review the Dasher app order history and confirm the Dasher app shows your completed delivery records properly.